Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this HUAWEI. First of all, we need to locate calendar and tap on it. Then pick a date by clicking at the chosen one and create an event by tapping on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Over here you can customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, choose location over here, pick starting and ending hour, or turn off this feature by tapping on the switcher next to all day. We can also set up a reminder and even take notes. When you're ready, click at this plus icon, at this icon at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was created. You can always edit it by tapping on it and selecting edit in the middle. Then make your changes and save it by clicking at the top right corner one more time. If you wish to delete your event, you can do that by tapping on delete at the bottom right corner and selecting delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!